Hi, what's going on? We're gonna react today to another CodeHead video on why writing clean code is a scam. I love this. I really like the idea of clean code. Of course, it's not easy to always aim for it, but let's see what CodeHead has to say about this. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CodeHead as well as this channel, okay? So without any further ado, let's do it.
You spent hours refactoring your code, making sure every function is named beautifully, every line is formatted to perfection, and every unnecessary comment is removed. This is it, the pinnacle of clean, maintainable code. The kind of code that would make Fireship himself shed a tear. And then, just as you're about to push it, you get a message from Chad, the senior dev. Just ship it. It's just an internal feature. Clean code is supposed to be the holy grail of software engineering. It's supposed to make your code more readable, easier to maintain, and less prone to bugs. Every tutorial preaches it, every coding book worships it, and every junior dev believes in it like gospel. But have you actually seen a real-life code base?
Yeah, this is exactly what happens, right? Real life code bases are a mess. It's incredibly difficult to have all the practices of clean code in the code base when you're actually doing some project, because deadlines, because fucking we need to get the shit done as soon as possible, because budgets are not infinite and we need to just go, right? Everyone is on that type of mentality. Not only that, right? Not only that, but people are stressed on their lives, right? People are stressed on their day-to-day lives, and not everyone has the capacity and the discipline to actually just sit down and focus calmly, note this, calmly, and code and design first and then code, and think about these things that is going to make your code readable, maintainable, robust, correct, and all the qualities of the software that we all love and pursue, right? But it's less than, I would say, it's less than 10% of the engineers that actually sit down and do it this way. If it is, even if it is for personal reason, even if it is for just you don't know how to do it, even if it is because the project that you are at right now is like in go mode, like we need to get shit done, and these principles go thrown out of the board really fast, right? Especially on what he said, like, no, it's just an internal application, it's just an internal feature. Yeah, those are the least least, how do you say it, like cared about features. So yeah, let's say I'm pretty sure it's gonna say that.
It's a war zone,
Yeah,
a graveyard
exactly.
of half-implemented ideas to do comments older than your career and functions so long they qualify as novellas. The truth is, clean code is a beautiful idea that collapses the moment it meets a deadline. The company
Exactly.
doesn't care how elegant your function names are. The product manager doesn't care if your code is readable as long as the feature gets delivered. And your boss cares about one thing, whether or not the project ships on time. That's it. You can spend all day debating the best variable names or whether to use single or double quotes, but at the end of the day, messy, rushed code that works will always beat pristine code that's late. And let's be honest, some of the
That's
most
late.
critical code in the world was probably written in a caffeine-fueled panic at 3 a.m. Facebook started as a hacked-together PHP project. Twitter? Originally a side feature for a podcasting company. Half the stuff keeping the internet running today is held together by a mix of duct tape, questionable decisions, and one guy named Dave who hasn't taken a vacation since 2011. Your last-minute, copy-pasted Stack Overflow solution
Now LLMs.
might just be the foundation of your company's next big feature, or it might cause a production outage. Either way, it's getting shipped. So, what's the takeaway?
The takeaway for me would be get involved on side projects in your own time. Those are the projects where I can really focus and actually get deep into the knowledge that I really am looking for. For example, I'm working on my day-to-day job with a Next.js application, and on the side, I'm also building a Next.js application where I'm you know, doing the same things here and there, almost the same stack, almost the same decisions, but on my own application, I get to be more calm and not rush into, actually finishing things and having deadlines, right? And then I figure out way better things, a better way to doing these things, and then I bring this to the other project. So that happened before, a lot. So that would be my takeaway. Like, code on very relaxed scenarios, like try to chill code, which is not the same than vibe coding. Okay, like it's just calm, code calmly, with time, with focus, and not with a deadline in mind. And that's when I believe you actually get the better results and the best code out of. And of course, you learn more, right? But let's see what CodeHead has to say.
Should you write clean code? Sure, when you have time.
Exactly.
Should you stress about it?
Oh, hell no!
The real skill isn't writing perfect code. It's knowing when good enough is actually good enough. Now
80%.
go ahead, write that hacky fix, push it to production, and pray nothing breaks. And if all else fails, just comment to do, or refactor later, and never look at it again.
Exactly.
Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe, or Chad will personally review your next PR and leave 87 nitpicks.
So yeah, this was a pretty good one. The key takeaway for me is that, like, yes, focus about clean code. Yes, try to do things perfectly. But what he said is awesome. Like, know when good enough is the best choice, and don't over refactor. That's like, it should be a mantra, right? And do over refactor on over engineer on your own time, calmly, just to learn, just to get the better grasp of things. And then what you think it's better and it's worth the effort, bring it to your go rushed applications. But yeah, there you have it. Don't forget to like the video, and we're gonna be live in Twitch every day doing this kind of reviews, so definitely come here and check us out. Okay, bye bye, thank you.